Summer is here. A time for breaking out the patio furniture, mixing an ice-cold lemonade, and making some cool, colorful crafts to go in between those things. These felt fruit coasters are super easy to make, great for kids' crafts, and don't require any sewing. So let's get to it. For this project, you will need a colorful variety of felt, glue, and scissors. This template includes patterns for citrus fruit, watermelon, and apples. Let's start with citrus. Start by cutting out the pattern pieces. You see how I'm using fabric scissors to cut paper? Don't do that. Cut out one outer circle using the larger circle piece and 6 smaller pieces using the teardrop shape, aka the guitar pick. I'm using green felt to make this look like a lime, but feel free to make a lemon, an orange, or any combination of your favorite colors. Cut out one inner circle piece using white felt. Go ahead and round off the edges of every piece so the finished product doesn't look like this. Center the inner circle on the outer circle and glue together. I'm using hot glue, but glue sticks and craft glue are good kid-friendly options as well. Sewing is also an option if you want to put a lot more time and effort into it. Arrange the 6 teardrop pieces evenly on the inner circle and glue them in place. And that's it for the citrus coaster. I made a whole set using different colors and techniques. Cut out the pattern pieces like before. Cut out one green outer circle, one white inner circle, and one pink inner circle. Also cut out seed pieces using black felt. You may need to use chalk to trace these small pieces onto the felt before cutting. I'll be making 8 seed pieces, but feel free to use more or less depending on the look you're going for. Center the white inner circle on the green outer circle and glue together. Repeat this to attach the inner pink circle to the white circle. Arrange the seeds on the pink circle however you like and glue in place. When they're all attached, the watermelon is complete. Once again, cut out the pattern pieces. Cut out one outer piece using red or green, and one inner piece using white. Cut at least 2 seed pieces using black, 1 leaf using green, and 1 stem using brown felt. Tracing the pattern before cutting could be helpful for these smaller pieces. Glue the leaf and stem to the top of the back of the outer piece. Center and attach the inner piece on the front. Arrange and glue the seeds near the middle. And there you go, you've kept the doctor away for the day. Well, that's it for this project. Check out the link below to see our selection of fun felt fabric, and thanks for watching.